In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Telegram on Windows. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Whichever you normally use is perfectly fine. You can open it from your taskbar, desktop, or by pressing the Windows key and typing the browser's name, then pressing Enter. Next, go straight to the official Telegram download page by typing telegram.org/desktop into the address bar and pressing Enter. It's important to use the official website to ensure you're getting the genuine installer. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm the link is correct and that your browser shows a secure connection. On the Telegram page, look for the button that says Get Telegram for Windows and click it. This will start downloading the installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser, you might see the download progress at the bottom of the window, in the top right corner, or in the Downloads panel. If the browser asks where to save the file, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find later. Once the download finishes, open the installer. You can do this by clicking the download notification in your browser, or by opening File Explorer, going to your Downloads folder, and double-clicking the file, typically named something like Setup, followed by a version number. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, choose Yes, as long as you downloaded it from the official site. The Telegram installer will launch and guide you through the setup. The default options usually work well for most people. You'll click Next, confirm the install location, and optionally choose whether you want a desktop shortcut. Then click Install. You'll see a progress bar while the files are copied. This usually takes less than a minute. When it's done, click Finish. After installation completes, Telegram should open automatically. If it doesn't appear right away, you can launch it from the Start menu or by double-clicking the desktop shortcut if you created one. That's all there is to it. Telegram is now installed on your Windows computer and ready for you to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to replay any section to follow along step by step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Telegram on Windows.